So guys, excited for the fest? Hi, my name is Radji and I am a student of College of Commerce, Arts and Science, and our college is going to organize a state level tech fest competition which is known as Samarpan 1.0 powered by Reviving India. And this fest includes dancing, robotics, robo race, quiz competitions, codings, and many more new things you will get to know about this fest. And the main thing about this fest is every competition, every game has their special winning prize which is all about 2 lakhs rupees. And this is happening in my college, and it will also happen in your college very soon, very amazingly, very beautifully. And I'm inviting you in this fest. Please make your registration ASAP. The registration is going through in February, the first week of February, and the fest will happen in my college from the first week of March. See you soon.